Shinrin-Yoku, or forest bathing, is not a secret ritual. It's simply stepping into the woods and slowing down. Resist the urge to rush into a fast hike. Walk deliberately, but at a slower pace than normal. Bend down to touch a rock, sense its texture and temperature, sometimes warmed by the sun or cooled by the shade. Spot mushrooms and ferns tucked into hidden corners. Reach out for moss on a stone or a fallen log. Is it plush and damp or dry and spongy? Hold a leaf up to the sunlight and watch its vein structure, nature's solar panels at work. Stay mindful of any unfriendly plants, but welcome small surprises. Notice the bark of trees, trace its grooves and ridges with your fingertips. Inhale the earthy scent of damp leaves and pine needles in the forest floor. Let the forest sounds, rustling leaves, birdsongs take you over. Feel how a beech is cool and smooth, while an oak is rough and warm. Marvel at a not-so-small tree growing straight from a rocky pedestal, almost defying gravity. Feel the subtle differences between the varieties you never knew existed. Pay attention and stay curious, like a child discovering something new. By deeply engaging sight, touch, smell, and hearing, you forge a deeper bond with the forest, to which your body reacts positively by assimilating its calming effects. And that's it. That's forest bathing in its essence. Slow down, awaken your senses, and let the woods share their quiet secrets.